Any equipment purchase usually boils down pretty quickly to two or maybe three choices. If Rampage is on your short list, it's very important, particularly in an era of single-digit profit margins, to understand in no uncertain terms how much your prepress workflow will cost you year to year and over the long term. With Rampage, this is no great mystery. There's no fine print or complex pricing schemes. Let's start with the Rampage Service Maintenance Agreement. In the US, the first year is free. If you decide to renew, the cost is $17.50. That's for the year, not the month. And Rampage Hardware includes, at no extra cost, a 3-year service plan, which we administer directly. Regardless of configuration size, number of users, or product mix, this one flat fee covers unlimited tech support as well as free point releases within a version. Let's talk about point releases. First of all, they do more than fix bugs. They add features that many other companies charge for. Things like SIP4 ink zone calculation, a pre-flight utility, archiving, and transparency support. Plus, you don't have to pay someone to come in and load these updates. You can do it yourself in minutes during regular business hours. And we even offer free webinars to train you on the new features. About every 3 years or so, you should expect to purchase a version upgrade. Now, these will vary in price, but historically, and depending on configuration, we're talking a few $1,000s, not tens of thousands. Plus, if you miss a version upgrade, we offer value pricing to take the sting out. Now, I'm talking about ownership costs, but you should also know that Rampage, to be blunt, does not nickel and dime you to death with special licenses, per-seat pricing, or other unwanted surprises. And how valuable is this? When you need help, you call us up. We pick up the phone and pass you right through to a support specialist. Simple, fast, and very, very unique in a world of offshore call centers. So look closely and ask a few simple questions. When you do that, you'll understand how more of your money stays in your pocket when you partner with Rampage.